I'm going to show you guys how I created this reddish, smoky, copper tone, orangey makeup look. So if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, just continue to watch. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So let's jump right into it. Primer, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place concealer in shade number 13 and just apply it all over my eyelid. So the first eyeshadow palette I'm taking is the Huda Beauty Topaz eyeshadow palette, and let's see, the first color I'm using is this rusted brown matte eyeshadow, and just to place this color in my crease area for my transition. And I'm just bringing it up a little bit higher, close to my brow bone, but not too close. Lately, I just feel like my makeup has been coming out a little bit more better because I'm not rushing to do my makeup. Viseart palette in Golden Hour, and if I can get it open, oh my gosh. Okay, and I'm taking this burgundy shade right here and just apply it in my crease area and outer corner area. And like always, I like to build the eyeshadow color up on the outer corner of my eye and lightly bring it in. That way this side is pretty much dark and then it gets light as you bring it in. And then lightly just sweep it in. But I want to keep it under that first eyeshadow that I applied in my crease area, so I can have some type of dimension or gradient effect. I feel like when I just take my time doing my makeup, it just comes out so much better than when I'm rushing to do it. Okay, so for my lid, I'm taking the NYX glitter, this is a glitter primer, and just apply it on my lid area just to give my eyeshadow, especially my metallic eyeshadows, a base to stick to. And it also makes the eyeshadow pop. Color Raine palette, and I'm dipping into Tyrus, which is this burnt orange, reddish orange metallic color. Place this all over my lid. Wow, this color is definitely pretty. Packing the color onto my lid and lightly just tapping it. Okay, so now that I have my lid color, I'm going back into the Viseart palette and taking this kind of like it's a lighter metallic orange eyeshadow, and just apply this in the center, kind of like towards the edge, in the middle of my eye. Reddish burgundy color, and just clean up my crease. Okay, so I want to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit darker. I'm going back in with the Huda Beauty Topaz color, and I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow right here and just apply it in the outer corner. Using Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and just to prime all over my face. And I like to apply the primer at least underneath my eyes, just to avoid any creasing from the concealer. Next up, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector. And I'm applying this underneath my eyes, around my mouth, just to get rid of any discoloration. And I'm applying it on my nose because I have like a scar. And I'm just taking my finger and just tapping in the product underneath my eyes. Really is a lot. I applied too much. That's why we have beauty blenders, to take away some of the product. Take my beauty blender just to blend out the concealer. MAC mineralized setting powder. Well, actually, you know what, this is the MAC mineralized face powder skin finish in dark, just to set the orange corrector or the orange concealer. Foundation, I'm using a NARS Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation in MACAO. Go ahead and use my concealer. I'm using the NARS Natural Creamy Concealer in, let's see, this one is Caramel. Go in and just lightly tap it underneath my eye. Set the concealer into place. I'm taking the Mercier setting powder in Honey. To contour my face, I'm using a Fenty Beauty Matchstick Cream Contour in Espresso. I should have applied this before I applied my setting powder, but that's okay. Just going back in with my same foundation brush and just kind of brush, stipple this contour out. For face pad, I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, just to set my foundation into place. Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in Y405. And this step is pretty much optional. So I'm just taking a light amount and just pressing it into my, and pressing it underneath my eyes. For bronzer, I'm using Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. Adding contour on the side of my nose and bringing it all the way up to my eyebrow area. And this kind of defines your nose and your eye area whenever you bring it up, like right here, and just bring it all the way up to your eyebrow. Just give you more of a snatch, chisel nose shape. So look at that. It's just it defines your nose. And I always like to just apply some bronzer underneath my nose area and do kind of like a V shape, like this and like that. The MAC blush, I'm taking, let's see. So I'm taking this MAC blush, I believe it's called Applying on the Apple in higher part of my cheekbone. For highlight, I'm using Artist Couture highlighter in Honey Drip, and it looks like this. Just to finish off my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm taking Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and this is with a burnt matte orange eye pencil in Torch. So underneath my eyes, I'm going back in with the Vice palette and taking this burgundy reddish matte eyeshadow and just apply it underneath. Going back in with that Huda Beauty Topaz color and taking this dark brown eyeshadow and just apply it in the outer corner eye area underneath my lash line. In the same palette, I'm taking this golden, kind of like a golden orange eyeshadow and just apply it in my inner corner. Okay guys, we're almost finished. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my lips. I'm using Colourpop BFF3 and BFF4 lip pencil. I really love using the Colourpop lip pencils because they're so creamy and easy to glide on the lips. One of the reasons why I use it all the time. Using Colourpop times Shayla lip pencil, lipstick in Slow Down, which is a matte satin nude lipstick. For lip gloss, I'm using Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this one is Fenty Glow. To finish off my look, to set my face into place, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay guys, I managed to finish my makeup without my eyes watering, which is a good thing. My makeup came out really good. Too bad I don't have anywhere to go. See, this is what I'm talking about. When I take my time and I'm not in a rush, my makeup comes out really good. So today is one of those days. So like always guys, if you made it this far in my video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.